What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, and today we are in Dr. Phillips, Florida. Dr. Phillips is one of the suburbs of Orlando in Central Florida. We have a property management company that we do some work for, and we have a property here, a residential property has got no central air conditioning. And as you can see, these are nice, beautiful homes here in this well-established upper middle-class neighborhood. If you're in the Central Florida, Orlando area, you need your air conditioning fixed, give us a call at 407-375-1100. You can also email me, Mike at plumbingbytom.com or Tom at plumbingbytom.com, and we would love to help you out.
Sure.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Here for your air conditioning.
Yes.
Excellent. Perfect timing, we just pulled in.
Yeah.
They tell me your second floor is not cooling?
Yeah, it's not.
Okay. When did this problem start?
To be honest, I don't know, the house is empty. I come
Oh.
here every two weeks.
Okay.
So, let me just shut off the alarm.
Yes, please, thank you. He's gonna do the alarm. What? He said give him a minute, he's gonna turn off the alarm.
You're good.
Awesome, thank you. All right, let's see the thermostat upstairs.
Yeah. The one downstairs is working.
Okay, very good. Let's go see. Yeah, it's warm up here.
Yeah,
Sure.
You can feel the difference.
All the way over there.
Yeah.
This is a cool little area.
Put it to 68, but...
Fan on, cool mode, good. All right, let's go see outside. I don't hear nothing. You gonna grab tools, Christian? Yeah. Perfect, thank you. All right, Christian, all of the breakers are on.
No pressure lockout.
Yeah?
Yeah, according to that story.
Oh, that sucks. All right. How many times is she flashing? Up we go. Yeah, they tell me there are no air handlers in the attics in Florida, but the second one in 2 days. I didn't sign up for this shit, that's for sure. Well, at the thermostat, I turned the fan off.
Oh, you did?
Yep. So let me go turn that back on. Yeah, if you want to turn that on for the thermostat, that'd be nice. Thank you. The question, you can put the cool on. Yeah, put the cool on and put the fan on as well. Oh, looks like Armstrong put that in. Well, at least I got that sticker right there. Lennox Elite duckboard. All right, you can hear that condenser running. May want to disconnect Y. Maybe pull Y so we don't get that error again.
Okay. As soon as I get this.
Okay, and that'll stop the condenser from running, hopefully. Now, let's check our motor.
Here, you want to touch those other ones?
What's that?
See see if any of them got 24 volts on.
On here?
Mhm.
All right, let's find the switch. There's power. Where does this thick power go to? It goes around and it goes down to here. Really, no disconnect here. Sitting in a multi-million-dollar house with no disconnect. All right, that's the garage. I'm gonna go turn off the breaker. All right, we're waiting for a third party to turn off power, and it looks like he did it. Yay! All right, we're gonna pull the blower motor assembly from this air handler, take a look at what specifications are on it, and then quote him a price to replace. All right, there's the motor assembly. I'm gonna bring that down and quote a price to replace. New X13 motor is in. We gotta slide it back in there and get her some cold air.
Get some cold air back in the house.
Yep. Especially if we can restore air to that thing right there. It'd make this attic a little more tolerable.
Yeah, then we can just sit up here.
Yep. Exactly. Well, Tom switches away in the truck.
Yeah.
All right. Blower motor's in. Make sure we secure it. Plug her in. Give them some cold air.
I can get you to plug in. Come on. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, now let's try this again. Let's see.
Reconnect our Y wire. All right, blower motor assembly secured. Wiring harnesses reconnected. Y1 reattached. Waiting for the property owner to apply power.
Just heard something.
I just heard something. Oh yeah, baby. And Houston, we have takeoff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Don't panic, it does it.
I know.
Okay. Look at this.
And there we go.